Hello friends and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zephyr GeForce RTX 4070 Sakura Snow X with full CNC cooler design graphics card. So friend, Zephyr has introduced the newest graphics card immediately when they come out. Later they focus on new ideas and have no problem using older generation GPUs to achieve this. Their latest generation means the latest innovation of the world first mass-produced graphics card featuring a CNC casing, basically a two-piece cooler shroud. And what's unique about this idea is that it even includes the I/O bracket, which is part of the design itself. And the company has chosen the RTA 4070 card for this design, and it is a reference clock model. The card is designed to a dual slot and mini ITS form factor, comfortable, and the card is equipped with single 105 mm diameter fan, and these combined with a unique cooler shroud and have reduced temperature by 6 Celsius compared to the RTA 4070 Sakura, and also a mini ATS graphics card. And the company is now selling the cards exclusively through Chinese e-platforms. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.